spider, how the hell? Stop.
This is Becky trying to put away an OEX X-Lite chair frame. It's like herding kittens. Go on, you're nearly there. Now you got to get the strap round it. You got to get it in the bag yet. Strap round it, love. That's it. Oh, up.
They're escaping.
I think that strap's supposed to be in the middle.
Or is it? Oh, yeah. I'm not sure that it's that neat what I've done, but hey ho.
I think we might have to run a competition so you can do it the quickest.
Well, it won't be me.
That's your first go, it's not bad.
You know, I don't like to blame my tools, but you know, sometimes the stuff that is made in China is not always the best quality, like the zip. So,
Right, van lifers, we're looking for advice on some couple of chairs. I went for the giraffe chair, but apparently it's for children. There's Euro Hike, Lowland chair, Peak chair, OEX X-Lite, all right for a cot. And then there's all this shenanigans. Anybody who's got some that are like comfortable, low level, relaxing, easy to put away, I'd appreciate it.